Hello viewers, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to this question 12. XY is a line segment with the coordinate given unto us, and that of P is the Y is not given in terms of value. If the midpoint of XY is given, we have to find the coordinate of Y. I'll be using the direct midpoint formula. So if I have a point X and Y, and I have a midpoint which is M minus 4 and minus 2, P and Q minus 8 minus 12. Now if I want to find this, we know that midpoint is equals to, if I have x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, where this coordinate is the same as the x we are having here, and this is having the same as the y. So using this, I'll be having my x1 value being the x. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. So if by substitution midpoint, I should be having minus 4 minus 2 equals to, remember representing this, x1 is minus 8 plus x2 p divided by 2, y1 is minus 12, y2 is q divided by 2. So now we are going to equate corresponding component. So equating corresponding component, I still have my x component to be minus 4 being the same as minus 8 plus p on 2. That is for the x component. This is an equation with fractions, so we cross multiply. Then that means minus 8 equals to minus 8 plus p. We need to subtract this minus 8. We are going to add 8 to both sides. If you add 8 here, you get 0. That means p equals what? 0. And also we are going to find our negative 2 being the same as minus 12 plus q divided by 2. Cross multiply as well. 2 times this minus 4. Then we add 12 to both sides. Minus 4 plus 12 equals to q. Remember, this is just a subtraction of 8. 12 minus 4, and that gives you 8 equals to q. So therefore, the coordinate of y is going to be the p first, that is 0, then the q, that is what? 8. So if we place them here, if you put 0 here, minus 8 over 2, that's minus 4. If you put your 8 here, that will give you minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. You can also use the division of line into a given ratio, even though this is equal ratio. You try that also. Leave your answer in the comment section. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.